In this chapter, I shall tell you about learning about another user. There are a number of ways you could find out more about another Twitter user. The quickest and most direct way might be to simply click the user's name or profile picture in your timeline. So, for example, maybe I want to learn more about this user here. I can click her profile picture to display her profile summary. It shows her name and a short bio. It also includes her location and website link. Finally, there's a list of some of her recent tweets. If you click the user's name at the top of this window, Twitter displays the full profile page for the user. This page has the same information that you saw in the profile summary, but it offers access to more details. Next, I shall tell you about following other users. So, right now I am looking at the profile page from someone and I want to follow. All I need to do is click the follow button on his profile page. When I click that, a few things happen. First, the follow button turns into a following button. This indicates that you are following. If you go to your home page and click on following button, you will see any recent tweets by them in your timeline. Often, this could be the start of a great Twitter relationship. Next, I shall tell you about replying to a tweet. When you use Twitter's reply feature, it automatically creates a new tweet. This is referred to in Twitter as an @reply. Let's take a look at how to reply to a tweet. Clicks this reply link. That displays a little window that's already set up with the @reply for this account. You can then type in the response. So, I typed, "This is really good news." Now when you click tweet, click refresh button. Your reply is sent to Twitter. The tweet will appear in the timelines of the people who follow you. So, it's a good way to take advantage of the social networking interactivity of Twitter. Next, I shall tell you about sending a direct message. Direct message is private. It enables you to use Twitter to send a private message to someone who follows you. To see your direct messages, click the direct message button at the top of the page. This opens the direct messages window, which lists all of the Twitter users. There are direct message conversations with one user. When you click the direct message, the window changes to display the entire conversation in chat format, along with a box that you can use to send another direct message to the user. If I want to just send another direct message to this person, all I need to do is type my message in the box. Type "nice to see you" and click send message. The message is added to the conversation. So, direct messages are good for sharing relatively private information. Next, I shall tell you about unfollowing a user. There are several ways to stop following a Twitter user. One way to stop following a Twitter user is from his profile. Let's unfollow this user. His tweets are not really very exciting. So, you can click the profile picture to go to his mini profile. And then, when you point at the following button, it turns into an unfollow button. And you can click that. When you click unfollow button, you immediately stop following that account. And as you can see here, the button turns into a follow button. If you change your mind right away, you could always click it to start following the user again. If you go to your home page and refresh it, the tweets from that account disappear. Next, I shall tell you about blocking users. When you block a user, you prevent them from following you. Let's see how this works. You block a user by using the menu on the user's profile summary or full profile. In this case, I will open this profile summary by clicking his profile picture. That's bring up his mini profile. Next, I will pull down the user actions menu. And then, I will choose block. Now you can see the message on the top. Again, click on his profile picture. A few things happen. First, the word blocked appears in the status bar for the user. You can see it right here. If you change your mind, you can point to the button and it turns into an unblock button. I will close this window. And then I will refresh this page. And you can see that tweet disappeared.